Welcome to Jim Pattison Volvo of North Vancouver. My name is Nelson Phillips, and today we're going to be talking about the newest addition to Volvo's lineup, the S60, V60, and V60 Cross Country, which were all completely remodeled for 2019. For 2020, we're now seeing this beautiful R design being offered. You'll also have the option of the Polestar and now our T8 hybrids as well. So the first improvement that I want to talk about, and the most obvious to most people, is going to be the styling of the car. Just take a look at these beautiful Thor's Hammer headlights that continue into the grille, these amazing 19-inch alloy wheels which are optional in the R design, the beautiful black styling that just continues through the whole exterior of the vehicle. As we get to the back, you'll notice that R design styling continuing through with the dual exhaust tips, the black clotting along the bottom there, really complemented by the gloss black R design trim pieces that you'll just see so elegantly wrapped around the whole exterior of the car. So now as we get to the interior of the R design, we're going to notice that we have the full leather seats, which are now going to be standard over the nubuck leather mix, which was available in previous years. One of my favorite interior additions is this beautiful slate leather that they've offered just for our 2020 models. Not only have there been big improvements made to the styling of the S and V60, but now we're seeing huge improvements to the space offered in both cars. So now the whole vehicle is going to be about 5 inches longer than it was in the previous year V60, but now you're going to be getting about 2 inches more length for your trunk space and a total of 71 inches of length when the seats are folded down. This gives you a good idea of what it's like with the seats folded up, and now I'll go in just to show you what it's like with them folded down. Having features like your foot motion tailgate and power folding rear seats are also going to be an available option on the V60. So one of the things you're really going to enjoy when you get into the back seats of the V60 is the additional 2 inches of legroom that you're going to get over the 2018 model. So not only is it going to be more spacious back here, but you're also going to now have some really great creature comforts like your 4-zone climate control, which now allows you to adjust your own climate in the back. You'll also have your optional heated rear seats. If that isn't enough for you, you'll also have a 120 volt, so you can plug quite a few things in for charging when you're sitting in the back. I've always been the kind of guy who really enjoys to drive a sports sedan or a sportier vehicle in general. So the V60 has always been my favorite vehicle in our whole lineup. The reason for that is just because I find you're getting sports sedan handling and driving characteristics from the vehicle, but you're getting such similar versatility to what you'd be getting from the XC60 or any of our SUVs. This vehicle is still going to average 9.4 liters per 100 kilometers, so you're still getting great fuel efficiency between city and highway, but then now you're getting 316 horsepower from our T6 engine offered in these as well. The S and V60 will have 3 different engine options. So you'll first off have the T5, which gives you that 250 horsepower, the T6 engine, which now gives you 316 horsepower, and the T8 engine, which now gives you the boost of 400 horsepower, as well as increasing the efficiency with that hybrid technology. Polestar is now going to use the T8 technology, so you're going to be getting very good driving dynamics from the Polestar, but you're actually going to be getting the best efficiency out of any of the vehicles in our lineup. So you can really be driving the vehicle around as a purely electric vehicle for shorter distance driving, but still have the capability of driving it out of town where you need something that goes further than what electric ranges provide. The T5, S60, and V60 will actually be offered in a front-wheel drive variant, whereas the T6, T8, and Polestar options will all be all-wheel drive. One of the other things I really enjoy about the R design specifically is just the tighter suspension feel that you're going to get overall. It really does give you more of a connected feeling to the road. You're going to feel that the steering just feels much more responsive as well. And then the sportier seats and styling characteristics that go along with it really just make it feel like a much sportier, engaging vehicle altogether. So as somebody who always enjoys to drive the vehicle and really enjoys the driving dynamics that have been built into this car, I still really enjoy these adaptive cruise control and pilot assist features, which just now allow you to turn it on when you've got vehicles ahead of you going a little bit slower. So now you don't need to worry about adjusting your gas, brakes, or even steering. So the vehicle's just going to make those adjustments for you when traffic's going a bit slower. And then once you get back to the driving that you want to be doing, you just turn these features off and you're back to enjoying the vehicle and the driving dynamics it offers. You're also going to get quite a few luxurious features that you typically wouldn't expect to get when going into this segment of vehicle. The 4-zone climate control is a really nice addition. You're also going to have things like your 360 view camera. You'll have your self-driving semi-autonomous features, self-parking features, even your graphical heads-up display, and the Bowers & Wilkins premium sound system also is an option on both these vehicles. So I hope this has given you a good idea of some of the changes that have gone into the S and V60 for 2019 and moving forward. We still have a few 2019s left in stock with great incentives to back those up, but now we're getting our 2020s in stock with the addition of the R Design, the T8s, and the Polestars. So some exciting options available for both the 19s and the 20 options. But if you guys have any additional questions about any of our vehicles, just feel free to let myself, Nelson Phillips know, or any of the other advisors here at Jim Pattison Volvo of North Vancouver. Thanks again for watching, guys.